Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Darin Hibbs' property right now in Ackworth, Georgia. We just did our inspection with your third-party technician, marked up the roof, widespread wind damage on the roof. A couple interesting things. I don't know, you guys obviously can't tell in this video, these shingles, their dimensions are a little off, not necessarily on the width being 36, but the shingle exposure, instead of a 5.5-inch exposure, we got a little less, well, or exactly at 4 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull a shingle off the roof to send in for y'all's RLS testing, as well as show the repairability of the roof during the process. Here's a shingle condition of this slope. Here's the damaged shingle that we'll be removing today. As you can see, it's creased. So I'm gonna let you guys follow along during this repair process. I'm gonna set you guys down on this cushion. Obviously I have a new shingle in. Those dimensions are normal. Those are what normal shingle being produced today at Home Depot, ABC. Alrighty guys, when I just unsealed this shingle, it tore. It ripped right here in this corner right here, as you can see. Trying to be as gentle as possible with these shingles, guys, and get them unsealed. Like I said, there's not a lot of shingle exposure on these. Guys, I'm guessing because there's not a lot of shingle exposure, most of these nails are going to be high nailed. It just makes sense, because the nail strip is going to be way up under these shingles. No nail here. Alrighty guys, pulling this shingle out, or this nail out. This shingle ripped as well in the corner. Like I said, these shingles very brittle. Not a lot of ventilation on this roof. You only have 2 turbines ventilating this whole roof. So not only are the shingles different dimensions, high nailed, brittle. This roof looks about 16, 17 years old. I'm not sure how old y'all have it in the policy. But just removing the nails, 2 shingles have torn. Like I said, we'll hold on to this, get it sent off. Just measure it. So guys, I can't even hit the nail strip. The nail strip is all the way up here because these shingles are shoved up so far. I'm not able to hit this nail line. Alrighty guys. Here is the new shingle in place. Like I said during the video, 2 shingles that ripped on me while I was attempting to pull these nails out. You also see the granules on these shingles have started to come off. Now next windstorm, rainstorm, it's gonna knock these loose granules off of these shingles. Looks like we had 3 shingles that tore during this process. Like I said, I couldn't hit the nail strip on these. The nail is right there, the nail strip is there. But I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys. That way you guys can get a better look at the video's poor quality. Thank you guys for your consideration.